Welcome to GetLicensed.com, your resource for California Contractor License Study Guides. Our online practice exams and written study guide books can ease your homework headaches. We provide you with condensed study materials to pass the C-16 Fire Protection License and Exam, saving you countless hours of studying. What is a C-16 contractor license? A C-16 license is issued to a contractor who lays out, fabricates, and installs all types of fire protection systems, including all the equipment associated with these systems. There are some basic requirements. You have to be over 18, have a valid driver's license or Social Security card, and not currently on probation or parole. There's also some experience requirements. Having 4 years of full-time level experience and a qualified person to sign off and document your experience. Now, what to expect during the testing exam. During your test, it's closed book. There's no reference materials allowed inside the facility or in the testing area. The questions are set up as multiple choice. There are some mathematical computations and a calculator is provided. The testing is done on site and the results are immediate. Now, the exam is broken down into 5 major sections. Planning and estimating is about 25% of the exam. Installation of underground fire main systems is 11%. Installation of fire protection systems, 34%. Fire protection system maintenance and repair is covering 8% of the questions, and safety at 22%. Let's take a look at some sample questions you might find on the exam. What events are required to activate a pre-action double interlock electric pneumatic system? D. Operation of a detection device and a sprinkler head. When should a contractor perform an underground flush test? C. After connection to the supply source and before connection to the system riser. And finally, 3. According to NFPA 25, how long after installation should quick response sprinklers be tested? After 20 years. Are you still nervous? Did you know the California Contractors State License Board provides you with the resources to study for the exam? Now, most licenses have anywhere from 5 to 10 encyclopedia-sized books to study from. What we've done is we've taken all of those books and condensed them into paragraphs. And just as important as condensing those, we categorize them so in the end, we provide you with a Cliff Notes study guide. In our study guides, you will be prepared to take your California Contractor License exam by being fully prepared with just the right amount of information. Let's take a look at what's included. You'll receive a printed and bound study guide book that's written by real tradesmen and California construction law attorneys. You'll also get online access to practice exams with traditional formatting of A, B, C, D questions and flashcards. And you get to take that practice exam as many times as you need. You also have the option to add on lectures that correlate with the content in the study guide, giving you the classroom-like experience. And those are presented by California construction law attorneys and tradesmen. And those lectures are available online streaming, video, or audio disc. We believe that the best study preparation products can only come from the best instructors. Our knowledge and passionate commitment are your assurance that we make it simple to pass your California Contractors exam. By combining old world concepts and practices with the most current technology, we have developed simple, effective teaching curriculum with proven results. Preparing for an exam can be stressful. GetLicensed.com can help with an online prep course and books that will help you soar. We have helped countless contractors get ready for their exam. Let GetLicensed.com help you pass with relative ease.